Hello, in this question we have to factorize x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. So we can't do it by splitting the middle term. It's in the quadratic form, but we can't find any factor of 1 whose sum can give us 1 again. So if we can't use the splitting the middle term form, there's only one option left. No matter what, we have to make it a square minus b square. We want to convert it into a square minus b square form because a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we want to convert this into a plus b into a minus b form. For that, x to the power 4. This can be written as x square whole square. This x square can be x whole square, and this 1. This can be written as 1 square. Now, if we take these two common to make a whole square, this won't make much sense because we'll need 2 into x cube. We can't get that anyways. But if we take this term and this term together, that is x square whole square plus 1 square, and we'll place it there plus x square. So if we want to make a whole square with these two terms, then what is the third term that we want? If we want x square plus 1 whole square, then this is going to give us x to the power 4 plus 1 plus 2x square. We already have x to the power 4 and 1. All we need is 2x square, but we only have 1x square. So now we can split this up. We can split this x square into 2x square minus 1x square. There's only one rule we need to follow. That is, we can't change the question. No matter what, question should be same. So this should be x square whole square plus 1 square plus this can be written as 2x square minus 1x square. The question is same. We just have these three terms, x to the power 4 plus 1, and once you subtract them, you'll get x square. Now we'll pair up these three terms because these three together, they make this x square plus 1 whole square. So this can be written as x square plus 1 whole square minus x square, that is basically x whole square. Now we can use the formula here. This is basically this form, that is a square minus b square. So this should be a plus b into a minus b. So this would be a and this would be our b. So first we'll write a plus b, that is x square plus 1 plus x. And then we'll write a minus b, that is x square plus 1 minus x. So this is the factorized form. We'll just leave it here because if we try to further factorize it, we'll get the answers in under root. So the factorized form is coming as x square plus 1 plus x into x square plus 1 minus x. And please remember to do this also.